So you're thinking about getting into 3D printing, or maybe upgrading your current setup. Well, 2025 just dropped some absolute beasts in the 3D printing world. Let's dive into the top 3D printers of 2025. And trust me, these are game changers. If you're after speed plus plug-and-play convenience, meet the FLASHFORGE Adventurer 5M Pro. It's got a Core XY build, a detachable 280°C nozzle, and prints at up to 600 millimeters per second. This one is great for makers who want high-end print quality without constantly tweaking settings. You also get features like enclosed printing, auto bed leveling, and a very user-friendly interface. It's designed to be beginner-safe but powerful enough for experienced users. Hit the link below if you want a print-and-go powerhouse. Kicking it off with one of the hottest compact printers out right now, the Bambu Lab A1 Mini. Don't let the Mini fool you. This thing is packing serious power. It supports multicolor printing, sets up in under 20 minutes, and prints fast, up to 500 millimeters per second with active flow rate compensation for super clean results. It calibrates itself. It's quiet, like 48 decibels quiet, and it's beginner-friendly without feeling basic. Honestly, if you want high-end features without the learning curve, this one is hard to beat. Links in the description if you want a fast, multicolor printer that just works. Now for the DIY purists and print nerds, the Prusa MK4 is the upgrade everyone's been waiting for. You can get it pre-built, but let's be real, the DIY kit is where it's at. It's got automatic first-layer calibration, supports flexible build plates, and comes with a smooth, new interface that makes dialing in settings feel super intuitive. Build volume is solid at 9.84 times 8.3 times 8.6 inches, and you get great reliability straight out of the box, or kit. Plus, Prusa's community support? Unmatched. Grab the link in the description if you're ready to build your next favorite printer. Let's talk versatility. The Anycubic Kobra S1 combo is a killer option for those who want multicolor, high speed, and a quiet Core XY machine all in one. It prints up to 600 millimeters per second, uses Anycubic's smart vibration reduction tech, and features a 250 by 250 by 250 millimeter build volume. With one-click mobile printing via the app, it's super accessible, even if you're new to the hobby. The combo version supports add-ons for even more customization. Check the description if you're looking for a high-speed multicolor beast at a great price. Okay, resin lovers, it's your turn. The ELEGOO Mars 5 Ultra 9K is hands down one of the most exciting resin printers this year. With 9K resolution, it gives ridiculous detail, perfect for miniatures, models, or anything that demands accuracy. It's also fast for a resin printer, with up to 150 millimeters per hour print speed, and includes smart auto leveling, intelligent detection, and Wi-Fi file transfer. Honestly, this thing feels premium from every angle. Hit the description for the link if you're ready to go full HD with your resin prints. Got big ideas? The Anycubic Kobra 3. Max has the build volume to bring them to life. 450 by 450 by 500 millimeters to be exact. It's built for massive models, cosplay props, or even production parts. With 600 millimeters per second speed, multicolor capability, and smart vibration suppression, it delivers fast, smooth prints on a giant scale. It's got auto leveling, app control, and a sturdy build that keeps everything precise, even on tall prints. If size matters to you, check the description for the Kobra 3 Max. It's a unit. Last, but absolutely not least, the Form 4L. This is the professional-grade printer on the list. It's a large-format resin printer with blazing fast speeds, incredible resolution, and Formlabs' industry-leading reliability. It's perfect for serious prototyping, medical models, engineering parts. Basically, if you're working in a commercial or studio space and want top-tier quality, this is your go-to. It's expensive, but you're getting premium output and ecosystem-level software to back it up. If you're printing for business, hit the link below and take a look at the Form 4L. 3D printing in 2025 is all about speed, flexibility, and next-level results. Whether you're building your first model or scaling up your printing empire, there's a machine on this list for you. All the product links are down in the description. Check them out, compare features, and pick the one that fits your projects best. Drop your favorite in the comments, hit like if this helped, and subscribe for more 3D printing gear guides and reviews coming your way soon.